In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Notion page. This quick feature is perfect for preventing accidental edits, keeping templates intact, and making sure a polished page stays exactly the way you want it, especially when you're sharing or presenting. Start by opening the Notion page you want to protect. Make sure you're inside that specific page, not just hovering over it in a list, so you can access the page level controls. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner. You'll see the three dots icon, often called the More menu. Click it to open the menu, then choose Lock. That's it. The page is now locked. How do you know it worked? You'll notice that the editing tools feel disabled. You won't be able to type new text, add blocks, drag things around, or delete anything. Slash commands won't insert new content, and checkboxes won't toggle because that would change the page. If you try to move or modify a block, you'll see that those actions are unavailable. Many people also spot a small lock indicator near the top bar, which is a helpful visual confirmation. Locking a page doesn't mean it becomes frozen in place like a screenshot. It's still interactable in ways that don't alter the content. You can open toggles to read what's inside, click links, open subpages, expand callouts, and scroll through content or database views to browse information. You can also select and copy text, which is handy if you need to reference details elsewhere. The key idea is that you can view and navigate, but you can't make any permanent changes until the lock is removed. If you need to make edits later, you can always reverse the lock from the same menu. Keep in mind, locking is a safeguard against accidental edits, not a security feature. Anyone who already has permission to edit the page can also unlock it. If you're trying to control who can change a page, use sharing and permission settings separately from this lock. A couple of practical tips. Lock pages before presenting or screen sharing to avoid unintended changes while you're navigating. If you maintain templates, lock them to ensure the structure stays consistent for everyone who duplicates them. And when collaborating, let teammates know the page is locked so they understand that they can read and interact, but not modify. To recap the whole process, open your page, click the three dots at the top right, and select Lock. Your page is now protected from edits, still easy to explore, and ready to share with confidence. That's all.